Now, let's start to assemble our cells.
Here we have free television at last.
That's a contradiction.
The number of plates depends on your power supply. What do you intend to use the dry cell for?
So. Das hat mich so gewundert in Wien, nicht, wo ich gemacht habe. Und da hat er gefragt, wie viel Sie jetzt Musikakademie oder ausgebildet ideal ist, sozusagen die Leute zu einem richtigen Aufbau.
Oh, jetzt habe ich euch beide drauf. Gut.
Now I get the pair of you in.
Wir müssen schauen von der Anzahl der Platten. Jetzt müssen wir uns zuerst überlegen, was habt ihr zu Hause für eine Stromversorgung, wie wollt ihr das betreiben?
Always add a rubber bit in the middle between the plates to prevent short circuits.
War genauso wie der Super. Ablassen habe ich nicht.
Da kommt Freude auf, wenn wir alle an der
This is fun seeing all of us at work.
Das geht so rein, ja.
Yes, this fits in here.
Ja, ja, genau. Passt mal wieder total.
Oh nein, wir haben heute
Ja.
The film A New We, did you work on that?
Yeah.
Ist halt besser.
Das Verbrennen, das wird richtig schwarz dann, wenn das mal brennt.
It gets black inside from drilling.
Wenn ich jetzt mit dem Pulser ein- und ausschalte, was ich heute noch erzählt habe,
So, die Kamera tut. So, passt, das war's.
Okay, that's it. It fits, I hope.
Also, Glas ist was anderes.
Actually, that is far from perfect.
Du brauchst nur einen Schlauch, der runtergeht. Der andere braucht keinen Schlauch.
You just need one hose reaching inside the bubbler.
Eben die Frage, warum?
Many of you are asking, why do I operate it standing on its corner?
Und zwar aus folgendem Grund.
This is because, imagine it standing flat like this. Gas is produced underwater only, not above. This area above the ruler is lost, and the gas has a longer way to get out.
Das heißt, es geht mir diese Fläche verloren, wenn sie so steht, oder? Und das Gas von da muss bis da vorne, nach vorne kriechen.
How much is that? 2 times 23 centimetres, 46 cubic centimetres. That I lose.
Mal 23 Zentimeter, das sind 46.
And now see what happens when I point it on its edge. I have a small triangular area only. 4.5 centimetres times 4.5. About 10 cubic centimetres.
Mal 4,5 durch 2, 9 durch 2, 4,5 Quadratzentimeter. Zu
10 cubic centimetres compared to 46 cubic centimetres. This is a fifth. It makes sense to operate it standing it on its corner. And the gas has a shorter way out. And then there is also less gas inside, so that's much safer. We never have more than 10 cubic centimetres of gas inside.
Only when making gas?
No, always.
Bei allem, immer.
We have 4 hoses. 1 and 2 connect the dry cell and water storage. The third connects the water storage and bubbler.
Haben einen dritten, von dem gehen wir auf den Bubbler.
And the fourth connects the bubbler and the flashback arrestor.
Auf den Flammenarrestor.
You will need 4 times 50 centimetres of hose. We use hose connectors for hoses of about 10 millimetres inner and 13 millimetres outer diameter.
Are these special ones or just from the hardware store?
We initially used hoses from computer servicing, in a diameter 10mm minimum, the outer 13mm maximum. They will fit. But now we just use standard plastic tubes from the hardware store. They work fine. Put the lock nut over the hose and then plug the hose onto the connector. Then screw the lock nut on. This is an airtight connection. The first hose onto the side of the dry cell, the second hose onto the other side, then you can fill it up with water, and then you can connect the bubbler. One hose goes from the water storage to the bubbler inlet. This can easily be confused. The bubbler inlet is the one with the hose inside, so you can mark them bubbler inlet and bubbler outlet. If you connect them wrong, nothing happens. But the bubbler loses its siphon function, and the last hose connects the bubbler with the flashback arrestor. And then you can ignite the gas.